What a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm actually still working. Let me show you. And I'm really excited because today I'm going to teach you guys about something that you have at home. You produce this every single day and you can reuse it to nourish your plants. So today we're going to be environmentally friendly. What we're going to use is rinsed rice water. This is the water that you throw out after cleaning your rice before cooking it. Like I said, this is something that you have at home every single day, at least if you're Asian. Now we're going to open our container, but I gotta warn you, this is going to stink, so hold your breath. Ew. That thing on top? That's what you call lactic acid bacteria. It's also called rice brain. I wonder why. Just remove that and the rest should be really good for your plants. Once you've got all the icky stuff out of there, you can use that water for your plants. They're gonna love this because it's full of starch and some minerals. Some of them even say that they don't like rinsing their water too much because it loses all these minerals and starch. But I still prefer to rinse. I don't know that much about lactobacilli, but apparently they're called good bacteria. So that's going to help your plants to grow better. I'm sure some of you have tried Yakult when you were younger, or even now maybe. And Yakult is said to have lactobacilli as well. So again, that's good bacteria. So feel free to feed this good bacteria to your plants. I'm already outside and I still have rinsed rice water. It looks like you can get a lot of this from just one rinse or one wash of your rice. So feel free to be really generous with it when you feed it to your plants. And we're done. There you go. Instant organic fertilizer for your plants. I hope you guys learned something today and thanks for watching.